Before we tee it up, we like teeing up a cocktail. On the golf course, there's a lot of classic ones that we love to get down with. There's the Transfusion, pretty solid drink. Of course, your classics, the Bloody Marys, the Mimosas, those work too. We even enjoy a John Daly, which is an Arnold Palmer, half lemonade, half iced tea, shot of vodka. For our money though, when we're gonna play golf on a treacherous course or spend some time with some family, we might need a drink to smooth the nerves. And for us, it's the 1-iron. Now that's a club we can't hit, most people can. And the great Lee Trevino once said about this cocktail and the club, only 2 people on earth can hit a 1-iron, Jack Nicklaus and God. And neither of those dudes are here right now, so we're gonna make a drink in their honor. The first thing we're gonna add in is about 1.5 ounces, you know what, maybe 2 ounces if your family's a little crazy, of vodka, then some grapefruit sparkling soda water. This drink is refreshing, whether it's hot in the course or your game kind of cools off. This feels great before the round or after in the clubhouse. Now, sometimes you want a little spike of some tartness, like a good hard joke, or your family's got some spiciness to it. What we like is a splash of cranberry juice. Give it some nice color too. Nice little stir. And like our boy Nick taught us, a great garnish. Obviously the Garnish classic is a lime wedge, but on a golf tee, right? Because if you can't hit it off the tee, at least you can drink one later. So here's to a round with family, a round with friends, and getting around a great drink. It's good, bro. Yo, welcome to Spatchcock Nation, y'all. Once you're in till death, baby, and we love you to death for being on here. We throw killer parties, massive events. We're about bringing people together, showing the love through food, drinking, partying. Spatchcock Funk. Dope food, strong drinks, great stories.